Good day, everyone. Learn how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. So, you do not want a particular email for the subscription and you want to unsubscribe it. It is really very easy, and you can do it in your PC and in your phone as well. So, to unsubscribe from an email, we need to go to the More section, and just below spam and trash you will find manage subscriptions. The moment I click on that, you will find your subscriptions, and let's say if you do not want any subscription, what I can do is I just have to click on unsubscribe, and then it again asking you to unsubscribe, and that's it. So this is how you can unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.